This episode is another jam-packed one. So I'm pulling the engine out of two cars and installing it in another car. And then we also have the budget build is getting some goodies. We've got some new headlights, new seat trim, and a new steering wheel to go in. So Deacon is coming to give me a hand to install these in the last part of this episode. But to start with, we're doing that Statesman, which I actually did yesterday, and I was up till 1:30 in the morning out on the outside hoist getting killed by mosquitoes doing it. So yeah, I think you guys will enjoy this first part of the video. It was a proper OG RCS moment, I tell you. I was covered in grease out there trying to get done, just pushing through. I can tell you in the last probably 3 or 4 hours of doing it, I was over it and just wanted to go to bed, but I just knew if I just kept pushing forward, we'd get it done and I wouldn't have to do it today. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. Sit back and enjoy the episode. Alrighty, so there is a piston in here. Hello. Look at all the mushed up shit. Hopefully that's focusing. There's just so much of an engine left in this thing. You guys can see in there, there's all sorts of badness. And then it's cracked the block through here, cracked the sump all along there and there, and then the piston is currently sitting at the bottom of that, and all of the remnants of the engine are also in there somewhere.
Just like a Ford Focus Turbo, just doesn't have the turbo, it's a 5-cylinder.
And then we have a good engine that come out of the stator erect there. So we're about to put that in here, and then we will be hopefully not doing exactly that again. Anyway, into it. Alrighty, so it is 1:30 in the morning. I am exhausted, but we managed to pull the engine out of the donor car, then pull Brendan's engine out and fit the new motor today. It's been a big day. Usually, I used to be able to do those Ecotechs, or the L67s, whatever, really quickly, but it's been quite a fit. I think the last one I did was an Ecotech. I've done a few LSs recently, but I don't think I've done a V6 for, I don't know, it could be, I'm trying to think if I have. I don't think I've done one for like 5 or 6 years. So I was a little bit rusty. Kind of will come back to me a bit, but it did take me all day to technically do 3 engines. So 2 out, 1 in. But anyway, I'm going to hit the hay now because I'm exhausted. But next up is the goodies are going into, me and Deacon are going to be getting stuck into the giveaway car. We've got some new headlights, seat trim and a steering wheel. And then I want to chuck it on the hoist outside. And I think I got to top up the transmission fluid and just give it a check over, make sure it's ready to go. Obviously, I'll have to get a roadworthy if the winner picks the car. So, but that's separate to me. I'll just get that done and whatever I got to do. Anyway, I'm exhausted, so I will see you guys when we're working on the giveaway car. Alrighty, so I don't know if you guys remember, but a few months ago I had some random dude walking around my shed and he's back again. He was looking in these tubs, and yeah, now he's started looking at this car.
That's right. I didn't find any good bits, unfortunately.
Well, to be fair, those tubs were empty at that point. But yeah, so Deacon's here, and we're about to put some goodies on the giveaway car. Now, this isn't going very well. There's still only a few hundred people in this giveaway, but regardless, I still want this car to be as good as I can get it for the new owner. It does have paint imperfections, which I can't really do much about, but things like new headlights, new seat trim, and a new steering wheel, I was happy to spend the money and get that done. And there's a shifter surround that I'm still waiting on, and a few other little bits and pieces. But yeah, I want to make it as good as I can for someone if they end up picking the car. And yeah, or the cash, I'll just make sure it's very clean.
That's right. Cars are never as good as like the day that you're giving them away or selling them.
Yeah, that's right. You always fix it up perfect for someone else. And that's what we're doing. So, like, I would have left the headlights. Me and Deacon were just talking about the fact that I would have left the headlights if this was going to be still my car. But because it's going to be someone else's car, I decided I should do it.
Yep.
So, anyway, let's get into it. The other day I was trying to record and I'm just like, so you go, and then I'd start talking, rah, 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 and then the pigeon landed on the roof. Walking into... Anyway, so we made a bit of a mess. Shit everywhere. Deacon and I accidentally pulled the steering controls apart wrong, which now I understand how they go. I haven't done one in a very long time. But so all the little buttons inside fell apart, so we had to make that all put back together, and we ended up using both sets of steering wheel controls to make one good one because we'd lost some bits, which was my fault. But yeah, ended up getting it to work. Got the new steering wheel in, new headlights in. It's looking good, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's crazy how much of a difference it makes just doing that to the entire interior.
Yeah. New steering wheel and new headlights has just transformed the car. And I didn't realise it's actually a brand new steering wheel. It's actually just been retrimmed. Well, I thought it was just a good second-hand one, but yeah, look at that front end. Yeah, front end looks awesome. Steering wheel looks awesome. It's still got blemishes, you know. It's got dents and scratches around the car, but I mean, all in all, it's going to look good when you take it as a daily, you're cruising it around. It's going to look good. People are going to be jealous, and you're not going to be worried, like I said, about going to the supermarket and someone opens their door and hits the car. Because it's got enough scratches on it that's not going to matter. That's a good thing.
Yeah, no, 100%. It's definitely, it's daily, but it looks good rolling down the road.
Yeah, exactly. Sometimes the best thing that can happen is you get a scratch on your car because then you're not worried about it. But anyway, yeah, we were going to pull the car outside and go for a drive, but it is still very, very rainy today. So, and when I bring a car in and out with the rain, I just drag mud and shit all through the shop. So I will do that another day. But yeah, for now I've tidied up the car a little bit more. It's another step closer for one of you guys to win it and be really happy with it. So yeah, I think we've done pretty well. So I've just been editing the video for a few hours and the weather's still not great outside, but it's good enough that I can pull the car outside. I just wouldn't mind pulling it out, giving you guys a bit better look at the car. Get some daylight in so you can see the interior and stuff a little bit more, and then I'm going to chuck it on the hoist outside and just give it another check over and just make sure there's nothing that I can do to the car to get it ready, because like I said, I'll still have to get it roadworthy on the car, but the more I can do now to make sure that it's ready to go sort of for that, the better. So I know I had to top up the transmission fluid because I fixed a shifter linkage a while back, but I haven't been able to I couldn't fill up the fluid because the fill bung, someone stripped it. So, but I've just found a wreckers that has one. They're not willing to pull it off, but I got to go there. The car's on the ground. So tomorrow after work, I'm going to take a jack and go with me and jack the car up, and hopefully I can get it in underneath there and pull that out. And yeah, I can get that one for this so I can fill that up. That's basically the last thing this thing needs to go on a good drive. So I'll do that. Deacon's going to come in Friday and we're going to go get some more content and stuff in this car. But for now, I need to do a bit of a shuffle and a bit of a clean up. Got some stuff, some bits and pieces laying around. And yeah, I need to get my Stato over here so that I can get the VE out and chuck it on the hoist. But anyway, yeah, let's get into it. honestly, have a look underneath this thing. It's a very genuine, honest car. Like I said, I know that it's been in a prang before, and that's got the PPSR report says that, but have a look under the floor pan of this car, and there's just no structural damage that you can see. You know, like I haven't picked nothing up. It all looks just like a good, honest car. You wouldn't even know. The only reason I know is because I checked, but yeah, it's a good car. I haven't even washed the engine or box on this thing. It had a transmission leak, so I probably should give the transmission a quick wash off. But as you can see, this is exactly how it was. So underneath, she's actually a good car. She's ready to go. And yeah, you're not buying something that's all smashed apart, or all the floor pans all dinted up, or someone's mucked around with heaps. Granted, I have modified this car, but it's been done well. So yeah, I think whoever gets this car is going to be happy. I'll actually be sad to see it go. Like I said, I'm more than happy for someone to pick the cash option. If you guys do pick this car and you want to daily it, it's probably better that I give it to you with a different set of rims, because the 22s, although they look cool, you're going to have problems with them scrubbing and like on when you're turning and driving and stuff. So if that's something that's going to annoy you, probably would be best, and it'd suit me. Take the wheels off the SS wagon, put them on this, put the 22s on my wagon, because that's going to be bags, so it's not really going to be a problem. But yeah, when you got a static car, it's going to scrub. It's going to end up annoying you. You'll chuck some mates in the back and it'll just be a problem. You go down probably a tyre size or two on the back and probably that would fix it, but at the moment it's got 255s all around, which definitely makes it worse. Like I said, I'm happy to move the car, because if this does really well and I actually make some profit, I can sell the car. I'll actually make a little bit more because I'll make some money off the merch and stuff as well. And I want to put the money into my SS so I can kick that really into gear, because I've got a bag kit there. I know of a cammed engine I can get. So yeah, if we can make this work, I can actually fire that into gear. Or if someone chooses a cash and I keep the SV6, well, I'm going to get it registered and I actually start driving it. So yeah, regardless, it's going to help and it's going to push the channel forward, and there's going to be more projects going on. But just know you're not just buying tickets to a giveaway. It actually goes a long way to helping me out. Now that I don't have the workshop anymore, I'm solely relying off my income from work and whatever I make from YouTube and merch and things like that to help fund the channel and keep things moving. So it means a lot to me. There might not be that many entrants in the competition, but some of you have bought some of the high-end tiers with the merch packs and stuff, and that makes a big difference. You know, I just appreciate it. It's cool as like to see that sort of stuff sell. Means that you guys do want to get around and support me, and yeah, I really, really appreciate it. So yeah, anyway, Deacon will be back Friday, and then we'll be jumping on to get some more content of the car driving and having a bit of fun in it. So yeah, be sure to tune into the next episode. Anyway, I'll see you then.